my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review Lujobox. So this is the box and they have different edition. This one is the FaceCare Monsoon edition. The price for this one is 950 rupees and it has total 5 product, which of course I will be showing you. But before that, let's talk about the box because I absolutely love the quality of their boxes. Very good boxes, very sturdy boxes, and matte black is the color, so yes, they look actually very pretty. You can keep any stuff in that, makeup, accessories, medicines, whatever, and they will look actually very stunning. So yes, I love the quality. And then inside also the presentation is just amazing. So once you open it, this is how the packaging is there. So yes, now let's start with the product. All the products are from Shea's Secret, and the first one is this one. This is a facial cleanser. It says it's Sebum retiring facial cleanser for oily skin. Lemon and cinnamon it has. It says it will cleanse, prevent and protect your skin. 100 ml is the quantity. The price for this one is 387 is the price. So this is a plastic bottle, a see-through bottle. So of course you can see the product, that how much is left, and then it comes with this pump thing. So very easy to use. So yeah, like it. Looking forward to use it. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is a facial toner, natural toning mist it says, and this product says it will balance, hydrate and restore. The quantity is 100 ml. The price for this one is 369 rupees. Again, the packaging is same. You can see the see-through bottle, plastic bottle with the pump, or you can say actually spray. So yes, definitely going to try. The next product is a facial serum, and this is hydrating toning facial serum. It has aloe vera and guduchi. The quantity is 30 ml. The packing is a dropper packing. 432 is the price. Looking forward. It has aloe vera and guduchi, which is a good combination for your skin. So yeah, I'm definitely going to try this one as well. Moving on to the next one. The next one is a explorator, and this one is a microfacial explorant. It has mother of pearl and volcano ash. It says it will amplify, buff and give radiance to your skin. So yes, looks nice. The quantity is 50 gram. The price for this one is 531 rupees. The last one is a pore minimizing clay gel. Okay, this products look different because clay gel I have not really used it. Clay mask and all that, yes, I've used it. Okay, this is how it looks. The quantity for this one is 40 grams and the price for this is 568 rupees, and I'm definitely looking forward for this one. It has vitamin C and red clay. It says it will resurface, vibrate and energize your skin. So that's all what I've received in my Lujo box. I have told you this is the Monsoon edition, and if you ask me, I will definitely recommend this box. Why? Because it has everything: a facial cleanser, then toner, then a facial serum, explorator, and a clay mask, or a red clay gel, actually not mask. So yeah, it's a complete box. So if you want to give a treat to yourself, you can order this for yourself, and if you want to give this, yes, it's a perfect box to gift, and the packaging and everything is just perfect. So yes, overall a good box. I will be mentioning everything, the buying link and everything in the description box, and that's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye bye.